stay with us. We're staying in Europe, and Europe's top human rights court has ruled that Russia shot down Malaysia Airlines Flight MH17 in 2014, killing all 298 people on board. The court said a Russian-made BUK missile was fired from rebel-held eastern Ukraine. Judges found the attack was intentional, likely mistaking the plane for a military aircraft. Russia has refused to take responsibility. The court also criticised Moscow for failing to properly investigate. The Kremlin has rejected the ruling, calling it void. Professor Nagy, thank you for being here. This, of course, a contentious situation where Russia are denying this claim that has been made by a top court. What's your opinion on this ruling?
Frankly, the ruling is not surprising. The evidence is strong, but it's about a longer track record of Russia actually, shooting down planes that are commercial planes. Remember, back in the 1990s, the Russians shot down a Korean airliner. The Malaysian airliner is part of a broader story of the Russians not having proper checks and balances in their systems, and this creates huge problems and security challenges for states that are flying through Russian airspace. And this will continue to be a challenge as long as Russia remains it's a current authoritarian state without rule of law, without transparency, and in this current belligerent form. There's no real way to enforce the decision of the European Union. All they can do is present the evidence and share that evidence with other countries, and they can make decisions about how they engage with Russia and where they send their commercial flights through. But this will continue to be a challenge. Again, Russia is not a country that follows rules in the international domain, and that it still remains a country without rules and without transparency in terms of how law works.
Yes, absolutely. We will move on now. And I alluded earlier to some strikes that have been launched